Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 40, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of the screen, like so, and then you can swipe down once again in this toggle area. This will extend the list of the toggles and also give you the names for them. Obviously here we're looking for the hotspot toggle. For me it is right over here. Once you see it, if you're doing this the first time around, you want to hold it and this will quickly take you to the settings. Here select hotspot settings, and I recommend changing the password. By default it is randomly generated, so just a random mess of letters and numbers. I'm just going to get rid of it. Now when it comes down to setting up your own password, it will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, but it doesn't really matter. And that's really the only thing I recommend changing here. So from there, make sure you click on the check mark just to save the changes. And now find the toggle once more, and you can simply tap on it to enable it. Once you're done with it, you can also tap on it again to turn it off. Now hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so it's not advised to run it permanently in the background. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.